Okay, this is just a quick tutorial on using styles in Word 2010. We're just going to go through this mock document and use the heading styles and the normal style to structure this document to look a little bit better. And this will also have the benefit of making a document that if you have to go through and change how the headings or the body text looks, you'll be able to update it very quickly without having to do every instance. It'll just go through and change everything throughout the whole document for you. So what we have here is a document that has several levels of headings. We have our level 1 headings of introduction, main topic and conclusion, and then we have subheadings under our main topic of section 1, section 2, section 3, and then some of those sections have a subheading, which is section 1a and section 2a and 2b. So it just simulates a document with multiple levels of headings. So what we're going to do is go through and first of all change the style for our heading, level 1 heading, and all I'm going to do is just make the font size a little bit larger and make the text bold, and then just give it an underline. And the other thing that I'm going to do is just go to line spacing options and add 12 points, which is basically the font size of the main text throughout the document. So it'll be a blank line basically, just after the heading, so that it looks a little bit neater when it goes down to the next topic, the next heading, or the next paragraph. And what we do now is just go up to heading 1 and update to match selection. And so if we go to main topic, make it a heading 1 and a conclusion and a heading 1. We're starting to build the structure there. Now heading 2 makes slightly larger, but not as large as the level 1 heading. We'll make it bold, and we'll just go to our line spacing options again, and again just add a line afterwards just so it doesn't bump into the text, makes it just a little bit easier to read. And update our heading 2 selection to match that, and then go through to section 2, section 3. Okay, and that's our level 1, level 2 headings taken care of. Now level 3, keep the font size the same as the rest of the text. We'll make it bold, and again just add that line after. Go to our heading 3 and update it to match that selection. And do that. And we do that. So now we've got our level 1s, level 2s, and level 3s all sorted out. Now the body text is using the normal style, and the only thing I want to do to that one is just go to the line spacing, and we're going to add a gap between that. So let's add a gap between paragraphs within a section, or a gap between the next heading. And we're just going to go to normal and update that. And you can see what that's done is gone through, and every section that uses the normal style, which is all our regular body text, has updated with that line at the bottom just to give it that bit of spacing, which makes it look nice and neat. And as I said at the beginning, the main benefit to this is that for any reason you need to change how your headings look, you can go through and do it very easily and update everything in one fell swoop. You just need to pick one of the headings and make whatever alterations that you need to. So I'm just going to give that a border, color the back in, and change the font to that. So that's our new heading 1. If we just right click and update the heading 1 to match the selection, you can see that it's updated all level 1s. And then if we select level 2 and make a change there, update all of that, changes all the sections. And again, let's change all those. So you can see how easy it is to change the styles of all your headings throughout the entire document. And this would be a big time saver if you had a 30 or 40 page document with lots and lots of headings in there and you had to change the styles. So that's how we do it. So I hope you find this one useful, and we'll have some more tutorials in the near future for you. Cheers.